Hare Krishna. Welcome to the Govindadvipa Revival. We've got some good news. Mahamantra.
So finally the roof has been sealed and the water is not coming in the building anymore. And also we have all the services covered, such as electric and gas and
amazing, isn't it? I mean, insurance and all those types of things. But now we need your help for the winter. There are two areas where we need. The heating is not operational, and so we need to put in repair the system that's there and to keep the building warm. The Didis are cold in the winter. The Pujaris are also cold. The building gets damp and nobody comes. It will cost 20,000 to repair the system and to keep it warm for the winter. If you want to help, it's on KrishnaIsland.com website, Govindadvipa Revival. Just press and for the My Donate button. Please help with that. And also Mahamantra.
Well, for the last 32 years, Radha Govinda, our deities here, they've been having 7 offerings every day, food offerings, and we want to be able to continue that. In summertime, devotees here, they produce our own vegetables and flowers, but winter time, not many guests coming, no donations, and we really need your help to continue this.
So we need direct debits basically for the winter months, and these will go directly towards Krishna's offerings, for the food offerings for the winter. So if you could help with either of those, the My Donate button to help with the heating, on the direct debits, so that Krishna gets nice boga. Hare Krishna. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Hare Krishna. I just want to say a big thank you to Shivaram Swami and the Hungarian Yatra, who've agreed to give 2,000 euros towards the heating system.
Jai.
Haribol.